This is a 2024 Harley Davidson Roadglide. One of my absolute favorite Harley models. I just love the fixed fairing, the way they handle. They're so nimble because you don't have all the weight hanging on the handlebars. But anyway, the color of this 24 Roadglide is Atlas Silver, and it is a metallic. And depending on how you look at it, it has kind of a little bit of a blue tint to it. Now this has the factory blackout, which means the dash panel is black, the handlebars are black, the levers, engine guard, front forks, all the hardware on it is blacked out, so it gives a really good contrast with this Atlas silver color. Now this bike is in like-new condition with 1,633 miles on the odometer. This bike is not even remotely broke in. And it is nicely equipped with the 117 cubic inch engine. So you have a lot of horsepower and torque. And as a bonus, a Stage 1 kit has been installed on this bike. It's got the high flow intake, a Harley Davidson Stage 1 download, and nice black 4-inch Reinhardt slip-on mufflers. We'll fire it up here in just a minute and it sounds awesome. Now also the detachable Harley Rider's backrest has been added. The detachable passenger backrest and the detachable black luggage rack. So this bike is geared up to go. Saddlebags will hold a lot of gear. You can put a nice tea bag on the back and away you go. Nice big 6-gallon tank. Kind of an aircraft style fuel door. Now this has the Skyline Info Center, which is a great big digital screen. Has a lot of information on it. You can Bluetooth your phone into it, your headset on your helmet if you wear one. Navigation. It has a lot of information available for you as a touchscreen and also on the hand controls. And I'm not going to try to kid you that I understand and know how to operate all the controls on it. That's something the new owner can find a lot of information on YouTube about. It's just an absolutely beautiful bike. Glove box on each side. And on this one here, there's a plug-in for your phone if you want to plug it in and charge it. Nice, comfortable seat. And the mustache style engine guard. You can use those as a highway peg or attach a highway peg to them. Instead of the two big radiators, it has one big one down underneath there, so that's a lot cleaner looking with fans on it. Blacked out front end. This is just a really, really cool color. Big LED headlights. The only flaw I can find on this bike is it has a little bitty surface scratch right in here, and if I didn't show it to you, you'd probably be hard pressed to find it. But I like to let you know what's on the bike. Here's your AC unit. Just turn those and that turns your AC on. Gets some little air on you on a hot day. Not quite AC, but you know, it helps. Blacked out valve covers. I mean, it's just really nice blacked out with this color. It's a great, great combo. And I really like this color. It's not really silver, it's not really blue, it's kind of a mix. It's got the one latch saddlebags. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out. Just an awesome bike. Nice big 4-inch Reinhardt's on it. Let's fire this baby up. I mean, it really sounds good. Let the screen come up. Kind of hard to see out here in the sun, but there's the mileage. Oh, I lied to you. It's 1,673 miles. I was 40 miles off. If you're in the market for a Roadglide, this is the bike. What a great color. Blacked out from the factory. Gives it a great contrast. Super low miles. The factory warranty is in effect till September of 26. All the right accessories on it. The Stage 1 Performance Package, the detachable backrest and luggage rack. Great info center. A little bit of homework on YouTube. You can figure it out pretty easy, I'm sure. Either touchscreen or with the hand controls. You know, cruise control. Has tire pressure monitor. It has hill start assist, which comes in real handy. Just a super bike. Save yourself about 10 grand off buying a new one just like this. It's blacked out and accessorized like this. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Our prices are out the door. No mystery fees. No dock fees, title fees, prep fees, setup fees, none of that hooey. Just a good, honest price for an absolutely awesome 24 Roadglide. Give us a holler. Thanks for watching our video.